Why do we confuse aqua for aqua and aqua for aqua? I know some of us are already confused. Okay, listen. Igbo language is known to be a tonal language, and there are three basic tones we use to identify some words in Igbo language. We have the high tone, we have the low tone, we have the mid tone. The high tone is translated to akara udelu. The low tone is translated to akara udala, and the mid tone is akara uda usuda. Akara udelu, akara udala, akara uda usuda. And these three are used to identify certain words, especially the ones that have same spelling. So the tone marking gives it a different meaning or sound. That is, by the way, we'll talk about that in another class. But for now, Akwe is what brought me here. So many of us make that mistake of using aqua for aqua and aqua for aqua. Don't confuse our non-Igbo brothers. Let's get it right today. Now we have high, which is the two high tones. High. We have the two low tones. Low. We have the high and the low. High, low. Then we have the low and high. Low, high. Let's go again. High. Low. High, low. And low, high. If you're a singer, this will be very, very interesting for you. But then everybody can get this. Now, the high is called aqua. The low is called aqua. What about the high, low? Aqua. And then the low, high. Aqua. Let's get it again. High is what? Aqua. Low is what? Aqua. High, low is what? Aqua. And then low, high is what? Aqua. So I want to believe that today you have learned something very beneficial to you so that you don't get confused whenever someone makes a sentence. Aqua dinelo aqua. Can you comprehend? But when you understand aqua dinelo aqua, aqua dinelo aqua, what is aqua and what is aqua? Aqua dinelo aqua. Cloth is on the bed. Aqua dinelo aqua. Don't forget our high, low, high, and high, low. Okay, we're going to end it here today, and I believe you've learned something. We're making sentences with each of them in our next class. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye.